I don't care how much these high heels hurt.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah. I hope you're using your manners, Missy. Okay, yeah, just go nice and slow and watch for cars.
Wow. I was trying to get off and even on the same time. Hard.
Watch for the cars.
Yeah, I remember that.
Oh, look at this one. This is cool. It's got bubbles blowing out.
Okay, guys, the scary house.
Whoa! Watch for the scallywags.
All right, Lenny. Let's go this way. Come on.
This is what I... Oh, look at this. There's a scary man at the door.
There's even a man in the car.
Sean will like this one. Yeah.
Love it. Whoa. Are you going to go, girls? Is it too scary? Dahlia, are you going to go? Dahlia, go on, love. Dahlia will go. She'll do anything for candy.
You bet.
Wow, look at that. Woo! That's scary, huh? Cool.
I think you have to press this button here.
Kylie. Oh, she's there. Whoa. Hi, say hi.
What do you say, guys?
Oh. House looks great. Look at the door. Dahlia. Dahlia, did you say thank you?
Thank you.
Good girl. Thank you. Good night. Whoa, it's awesome. Woo!